What if I told you that the life you've always dreamed of is already within your reach? No more waiting for the perfect moment. No more hoping for a lucky break. The truth is, you've been carrying your golden ticket with you all along. You just haven't realized it yet. Imagine for a moment that everything you've ever wanted, success, love, peace, abundance, is already yours. Not because you've worked harder than everyone else or because you've earned it, but because the moment you choose to believe it, the universe will begin to catch up. The doors you've been waiting to open, you've been the architect of those doors all along. This isn't about waiting for a phone call or for the stars to align. It's about understanding that you are the winning ticket. The jackpot isn't somewhere out there, it's in you. When you shift your belief, when you begin to live as if you already have what you desire, the world will start to reflect that back to you. So stop chasing, stop hoping, start living as if your dreams have already come true, because they have. Your golden ticket is you. You are the architect of your reality. The power to shape your world lies not in waiting for external circumstances to change, but in recognizing that every thought, feeling, and belief you hold has the power to influence the life you live. You are not a passive observer of your fate. You are the creator of your own path, and the direction you move in is determined by your inner vision. Too often we find ourselves waiting for the right moment, the right circumstances, or the approval of others before we take action. But the truth is, external factors will always shift and change, and if you rely on them for validation, you will remain stuck. It's time to stop seeking external validation and start building the life you want, regardless of what anyone else thinks or says. Your inner world holds the blueprint for your reality. Every decision you make, every action you take, should be in alignment with your inner truth, not the opinions or judgments of others. You have the ability to design the life you desire, one that reflects your true self, not a life shaped by external pressures or expectations. By embracing this power, you begin to see that your reality is simply a reflection of the blueprint you create within yourself. It's time to trust yourself and take control. Build the life you want from the inside out, knowing that the world will respond to your inner vision. Activate the power of now. So often, we get caught up in the idea of waiting for the right moment to take action, believing that our desires are in the future. The truth is, your power exists in the present moment. Your desires aren't somewhere off in the distance. They are alive now, within your mind, emotions, and spirit. The key to manifesting your dreams is realizing that you already have everything you need in this moment to create the life you want. Stop waiting for things to fall into place or for external circumstances to align. The magic of manifestation happens when you start living as though everything you desire is already yours, even before it physically shows up. The universe responds to your inner state. When you act from a place of belief that everything is already aligned, the world around you shifts to mirror that energy. Focus on embodying the results of your desires today, not someday. Your thoughts, feelings, and actions must reflect the life you want to live now. By fully embracing the present and acting from a place of certainty, you invite your desires to materialize in your reality. The universe is waiting for you to take the first step. Trust in the power of now, and watch as everything you've dreamed of begins to unfold. When you live in alignment with your desires today, you make space for them to manifest, and the world will shift to reflect your internal reality. Own your worth and walk in it. Too often, we wait for external validation or approval from others to recognize our value. We seek acknowledgement in our achievements, appearances, or social status. But the truth is, your worth does not come from outside sources. It comes from within. You are inherently valuable, deserving of everything you desire, right now. Stop waiting for others to confirm your worth. The first step is to claim it for yourself. Recognize that you are enough exactly as you are. When you begin to carry yourself as someone who already has everything they've dreamed of, you shift your energy to one of abundance and self-assurance. The way you perceive and express your own value influences how others perceive you. The more you affirm your worth, the more opportunities, people, and resources will align with that energy. When you accept that your worth is not tied to what you lack or what others think, you stop chasing what you believe you need. You stop seeking validation from external circumstances because you already know that abundance is inherent within you. You understand that you are complete, and everything you desire is already within reach. Walking in your worth changes the way you move through the world. It allows the world to meet you at the level you've already claimed. When you embody your own value, the universe reflects that back to you, bringing forth the opportunities and blessings you've been waiting for. Trust in your inner guidance over external influence. Too often we seek signs from the outside world, hoping that the universe will send us confirmation or direction. But the truth is, everything you need to know is already within you. Your inner guidance, your intuition, is the most reliable compass you can have. When you learn to listen to this quiet, inner voice and trust your own knowing, everything you need will begin to unfold naturally. The external world is merely a reflection of your inner world. If you are constantly looking outward for validation, you will miss the wisdom that comes from within. The noise around you can cloud your clarity, but when you tune in to your own truth, you will find that the answers you seek are already there. Your desires are not random or external. They are born from your inner wisdom, and they are meant to be realized through belief and action. Trust that your desires are valid and that they are guiding you toward your purpose. You don't need external confirmation to move forward. You need the courage to trust yourself and take action based on your own inner knowing. When you trust yourself completely, you align with your true purpose. Your soul knows the way, and when you listen to it, you will walk with confidence and clarity. Trust in your inner guidance, and you'll find that everything begins to fall into place. You are already equipped to create the life you desire. Release the need for perfection and allow flow. Too often, we delay taking action because we believe everything must be perfect before we begin. We wait for the right circumstances, the ideal time, or the perfect plan. But the truth is, imperfection is part of the journey, and it's essential to embrace it. Life isn't about waiting for everything to align perfectly. It's about accepting the flow and trusting the process. Perfection is a construct that keeps us stuck in a cycle of waiting. The belief that everything must be flawless before you can move forward only serves to delay your progress. Instead, trust that life will guide you exactly where you need to go, even if it doesn't appear perfect at first. Start where you are, with what you have, and take the first step. The process of growth is often messy, but it's through the imperfections that you will learn, evolve, and move closer to your desires. When you let go of the need to control every detail, you open yourself to the infinite possibilities that have always been available to you. By releasing the expectation of perfection, you invite the natural flow of life to guide you toward your goals. Flow is your true state. It's where creativity, growth, and manifestation happen. Embrace the imperfections, trust the process, and allow the journey to unfold. The world is full of opportunities waiting for you, and by letting go of perfection, you create the space to receive them. Align with your vision, not the condition of the moment. It's easy to get caught up in the present circumstances, especially when they don't reflect the desires you have for your life. But the truth is, the current moment is not always an accurate representation of what's to come. Just because things may not look the way you want them to right now, doesn't mean your dreams aren't on their way. Instead of reacting to the conditions around you, focus on the vision of what you want to create. The more you align yourself with that vision, carrying the energy and essence of your desired outcome, the outer world has no choice but to adjust. When you are anchored in your truth and the end result, you create an internal state that is aligned with what you want to manifest. Don't allow the distractions of your present circumstances to deter you. It's easy to feel discouraged when reality doesn't match your expectations, but your true power lies in focusing on your vision, not the temporary conditions around you. You are the creator of your destiny, and the world around you is simply a reflection of your inner state. By aligning with your vision, you remove resistance and invite the universe to bring your desires to fruition. Trust that your end result is already in motion and allow the process to unfold. Your vision will guide you. Trust in it and know that it's already on its way. Embrace the joy of the journey, not just the destination. Too often, we place our happiness in the future, believing that once we achieve our goals or reach a certain milestone, we will finally be happy. But life isn't just about the destination. It's about the journey of creation, the steps you take along the way. Each moment, each effort is part of the unfolding process that leads you toward your dreams. When you learn to find joy and fulfillment in the process, the outcome becomes inevitable. Instead of waiting for the perfect result to bring you happiness, embrace the small victories and lessons along the way. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your desires. The more you celebrate the journey, the more you align with the energy of already having what you want. This joy transforms the process from a struggle into an effortless flow. Trust that every experience, every moment, and every person you encounter is part of your expansion and growth. Each challenge, setback, or unexpected turn holds valuable lessons that help you evolve. When you focus on enjoying the journey, you radiate the energy of someone who is already living their dream life. This positive energy attracts even more blessings and things to be grateful for. So, stop waiting for the end result to make you happy. Find joy in the process and watch how everything begins to align, bringing you closer to the life you desire with ease and fulfillment. Thank you so much for watching and for taking a moment to remember the incredible power that lies within you. You are not waiting for the lottery to change your life. You already hold the ticket, and it's yours to claim right now. The world is just waiting to reflect back the greatness you've already chosen to believe in yourself. If this message resonated with you, drop a comment below and let me know. What would it feel like if you already had everything you desire? Let's start a conversation and manifest our dreams together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more powerful insights like this. Remember, the life you want is already within you. It's time to live like you've already won. You are your lottery ticket. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.